everyone. How are you? I hope you people are enjoying your Christmas break. So I'm here with our second episode or second part of what mysterious places on earth. Second episode of mysterious places on earth, right? So over last time we have seen about 12 places, 12 mysterious places. Today we'll see 11 more mysterious places on earth, right? If you have missed the previous session, watch that so that you'll be feeling more interesting. We discussed wonderful, interesting 12 mysterious places. Right? Here we'll be seeing 11 more mysterious places. Before we start, as per our daily practice, let's start with the ritual of introduction. I welcome you all to Unacademy, the best learning platform, and stay at home and stay right? This is a blessed learning platform which you have wherein you can stay at home and stay safe, right? So I welcome you. Let's crack CBSC 6th standard channel. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us and hit the notification bell icon so that you'll be updates. Before we start, in a nutshell about me, through a small video. This was about me. To subscribe for Unacademy courses, there are two type of subscription which I have. I'll just explain you in a nutshell. Plus subscription, iconic subscription. Plus subscription, get live classes, right? And structured courses, live tests and quizzes, and limited access. All is available on Unacademy. Plus subscription starts at 765 rupees a month, right? इसके अलावा हमारे पास दूसरा सब्सक्रिप्शन सब्सक्रिप्शन इसमें आपके पास प्लस के तो सब बेनिफिट्स अवेलेबल हैं नो इश्यूज यू हैव ऑल द बेनिफिट्स ऑफ प्लस लेकिन इसके अलावा क्या है और पर्सनल मेंटर पेरेंट कनेक्ट एंड लाइफ डाउट ऑल दिस अवेलेबल राइट एट व्हाट कॉस्ट एट जस्ट 1580 पर मंथ राइट मिलेगा कहाँ पे गेट दिस ऑन Unacademy learning app, right? यहाँ पे मैंने जैसे बताया 765 रुपीज और प्लस एंड 158 per month. It starts at that cost for Iconic and get additional 10% this fee. Use my code. To use this code to discounts. These are some of the top educators who will be taking sessions, right? And yes, this is the comprehensive syllabus. Science, we have 30 courses and we are going to come up with 7 more courses, right? Social science, 12 courses are there. We are coming up with 1 more course. Mathematics, 24 courses are there. Will upcoming 5 courses. Then we have 16 courses of English and 1 is upcoming. And yes, Hindi है आपके लिए ऑलरेडी प्लीज ये टेलीग्राम चैनल लिंक है जो आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगी टू ज्वाइन दैट सो दैट यू बी गेटिंग द फर्दर अप दिस इज द रेट चार्ट फॉर प्लस सब्सक्रिप्शन wherein for a month it starts at 1000 months at 10,000 months at 18,000 प्लीज इसके ऊपर डिस्काउंट सकता है this code O, right? हो गया प्लस सब्सक्रिप्शन का रेट चार्ट आइकॉनिक का रेट चार्ट क्या है Iconic 6 months at 17,000 rupees, 18 months at 35,000 rupees, 24 months at 40, right? I told you if you my code below, आपको this code, right? So, I have come up with a series, Unsung Bharatvar, where we speak about the warriors, small trailer for you that you will definitely. Hi buddies, I hope you remember me, your Anu teacher for social studies. As promised, I'm here with this unsung warriors of Bharat Varsh, right? So here we are going to discuss about those warriors about which we don't know much. बहुत सारे warriors के बारे में बात की है, बारे में सब information है. For example, हमने टेक्स्ट बुक में चंद्रगुप्त मौर्य के बारे में पढ़ा, लेकिन बारे में सब information है ना. ऐसे ही बहुत सारे warriors बारे में हम बात करें, right? Yes, why did I use the word Bharat Varsh instead? Because that era को कहा जाता था भारत वर्ष, उस टाइम से हमने ये स्टार्ट किया. एंड यस, अगर आपके दिमाग में भी किसी वॉरियर के बारे में जानने की होगी कि आपने नाम सुना है, जानिए. You want me to do research and do an episode, share the name of those warriors. Definitely have series and episodes on that also. And yes, this series ordered one because this option and I will be definitely available live in the chat section for you. And इसके ऊपर आप क्विज तो मिस कर दोगे तो सब करेंगे. Sunday will have this recorded session 4 o'clock and every Tuesday we'll be having Menti quiz on the same topic, right? Stay tuned in the series. Bye bye. Have a nice time. So this was in short the series which we have already started and completed with the 4 episodes. Yesterday was the fourth episode. You have missed out. You watch that episode, right? And the Menti quiz, which this week will be missing, will be doing it in month of Jan without fail. Don't worry. I know this is a recorded session, but don't worry. I'm available in the chat section, live chat section, to discuss with you, talk with you, right? So you'll not feel that I'm not there, right? I'm very much there with you in the chat section. Keep asking me the questions. I'm there to answer you. Right? Part 2, the mystery Earth. Right? Mystery is on Earth. Yes. Hello everyone. In the first part, we have seen 12 mystery places. Missed that? Do watch that video. Right? Ready for it? Are you ready for it? Give me thumbs ups very fast to see the further 11 mysterious places. Let's see these places one by one. I promise you, this are all session, right? So this is the very first place. This session, say the third. Just see what such a big hole. The humans, you can see humans are so all over there. What is this in the middle of this empty barren land? Isn't it? Let's see what is this. This is called Door to the Hell, Turkmenistan. What is this exactly? It's the stuff that nightmares are made of. A gaping, fiery chasm, tearing a hole in the earth. Darwaza Gas Carter or Door to the Hell opened in 1960. ऐसे बोलते हैं कि अचानक से ये ओपन किया था. What exactly they were doing? Engineers were drilling a natural gas field in the northern Turkestan desert. A portion collapsed into underground cavern, right? सोचिए अचानक से एक बड़ा सा पोर्शन देखा ना, कितना ह्यूज पोर्शन है जिधर ह्यूमंस इतने से दिख रहे, फटाक से नीचे चला गया, राइट? जस्ट इमेजिन, डर गए होंगे. A light to prevent gases from spreading, it's still burning decades later, right? उन्होंने क्या कर दिया था कि उन्होंने एक लाइट लगा दी थी, गैसेस आ रहे, गैसेस बाहर ना हो जाके उसका स्प्रेड ना हो पॉइजनस गैसेस का, इसलिए उन्होंने गैस में आग लगा दी थी। लेकिन वो अभी भी क्या दाग जल रही है। इयर्स, जस्ट इमेजिन 1970 1920 21 आ रहा है, देखो कितने साल हो गए, 50 years that light is still there, it is burning, isn't it? awesome stunning view, है ना? ये हो गया डो टर्कमेनिस्तान। तो ये आगे और कौन सी प्लेसेस है? वाओ, व्हाट अ प्लेस, इजंट इट ब्यूटीफुल? क्या है ये एग्जैक्टली, क्या? यस, व्हाट इज दिस? देखते हैं ये क्या है। दिस इज कॉल्ड ग्रेट ब्लू होल ब्लीज। ये क्या है एग्जैक्टली? Divers and underground explorers, including French writer and explorer Jacques Cousteau, have fallen under the spell of the water sinkhole. 1,000 feet deep, say 100 feet deep. सोचो कितना बड़ा है ये, है ना? Its deepest, darkest secrets remain mystery till late 2008, when an expedition team, Jacques' grandson, Jackson's grandson, Fabian Kestrel, and Sir Richard Baronson shot video Salaxity and unidentifiable tracks, right? तब तक ये ही नहीं थी कैसी कोई जगह है। इट इज रिसेंटली डिस्कवर्ड प्लेस। तो कितना ब्यूटीफुल है ना? और आगे देते, वाओ, व्हाट इज दिस? क्या लग रहा है आपको ये? क्या है ये स्टोन? क्या है? सी दैट सर्कुलर थिंग्स है क्या एग्जैक्टली? कुछ pieces? लैंड है उधर, बाकी का बैरन लैंड है, ब्राउन कलर की सैंड दिख रही है, स्टोन्स है क्या एग्जैक्टली? तो ये भी क्या है ना? सो दिस इज कॉल्ड एज फेरी सर्कल्स इन Namibia. All these circular patches dotted over the Namibia desert are they their million work of gods? वर्क ऑफ गॉड्स, गॉड्स से किया हुआ कुछ काम है ये, या एलियंस है, या एल्म है, या टर्माइट्स है क्या एग्जैक्टली? राइट, obviously less impractical than others, but it's also the most logical for with so-called fairy circles, which may only found here in the parts of Australia, but still official explanation will continue, right? इसके बारे में फेक बस हमारे oh wow, what is this? You know these rocks which are there in this desert, they actually this was a mistake. ऐसे कैसे rocks? You can see the tracks also over here. You can see this. See the tracks over here. This rock has come. वजह से और भी मिस्ट्रीज बढ़ गई थी। बाप रे, ऐसे कैसे रॉक चल के आ रहा है? भूत है क्या उसमें या घोस्ट है? व्हाट इज दैट? राइट, लास्ट is where it is in California, USA, that is Restrac-Playa. There is some unexplained magnetic causes rocks to glide across this cracked dilated California Valley, or the unseen hands of some higher power. बट रॉक के ऊपर मैग्नेटिक फोर्स कैसे काम करेगा? ऑल्सो एंड डू unseen hands of some power exist? Neither it seems science bunked mysteries 2013 discovering wonders are moved by wind. The ground is icy, right? तो रात में वहां पे आइस होता है बिकॉज इट्स टू कोल्ड, एंड उसके ऊपर ये विंड के स्लिप होते हैं। ओके, It's still a haunting, beautiful, delightful place, right? What is mystery of place? Isn't it awesome? Right? Place. Wow, what a mystic place. कैसे गड्ढा खोद के बिल्डिंग बांधी है उसमें? कैसे बांधी होगी? You can see the humans, how small the humans are looking at that, right? You can see these humans, how small these humans are over here. कैसे होगा? कितने साल? We can see this. This is some antique place, right? कंस्ट्रक्शन से ही पता चल रहा है कि पूरे से, राइट? देखो ना, ये साइड के वॉल, ये भी वॉल्स भी देखो, हाउ स्मूथ दिस वॉल्स आर। तो इतना स्मूथ उन्होंने वॉल कैसे किया होगा? इतना फाइन कट करके कैसे अंदर देखो, स्टेप्स वगैरह भी देखो, कितना फाइनली बिल्ट स्टेप्स आर देयर, इजंट इट? तो ये जगह कहाँ पे है? दिस इज द 17 Rockhaven churches, Ethiopia. The Rosewood Rock churches, Lalibela, are jaw-droppingly beautiful, and the Neolithic structures, incredible stories. It's said that King Lalibela was regined in the 12th and 13th, in the 12th and 13th, carved each with the help from skills alone. Do you exist? Doubtful. While it's more likely thousands of slaves, their existence searched for slaves क्या होगा? Right? Color of that place, isn't it beautiful color? Right? तो ऐसे कलर का पानी कैसे? हाउ इज इट पॉसिबल वाटर विल बी ऑफ दिस कलर? क्या लगता है आपको क्या होगा? ये कलर डाला है उसमें? द वे यू मेक कलर्स फॉर द ड्राइंग, कलर डाला है किसी ने? क्या है क्या ये एग्जैक्टली? तो this place, and where is this located? Let's see that also. So Baha region in Indonesia, Turkish waters, right? Turkish rivers, Caldera, Carter, Baha, engine, acidic, acidic. Dare to go in that lake, right? Fighting, but you don't go in that lake because it's very acidic. Which acid? Is the high levels of sulfuric acid that gives the water that's striking you. Just they hit the air. The electric blue flames that burst into the air are the source of fascination. Although, of course, there is a scientific explanation to it, right? It. तो आगे की प्लेस देखते हैं. What is this then? Yes, pyramids. कहाँ के pyramids के बारे में है? Obvious. Great Pyramid of Giza, Egypt. Giza's trio of domes. Rome's most recognized sites. Right? The trio pyramid of the one of the most Rome's sites. The biggest of the three, Great Pyramid of Giza or Khufu, both the oldest of the seven wonders of the ancient world and the only one still standing, that it's still word mystery. Scholars continue theorizing as to what such a large structure tools. अभी हमें कितने टूल्स की जरूरत पड़ती है और उस टाइम पे कुछ भी टूल्स नहीं थे, फिर भी इतने ह्यूज स्ट्रक्चर्स बनाए थे, है ना? हमें कुछ लाने के लिए बोला है, फिर कुछ करने के लिए बोला, अभी भी कुछ पूछा आपको तो पहले गूगल करके देखते हो, है ना? दे आर डिपेंडेंट ऑन द टेक्नोलॉजी. हाउ डिड दिस पीपल ऑल दिस Gee, isn't it amazing? Anna, this was the 19th history. History is here. Wow. The color, the color of the sea over here and color of the lake over here. बबलगम जैसा कलर है ना लेक का. बबलगम याद आ गई ना. क्या क्या खाते हैं आप लोग, है ना? Let's see what is this. That is lake healer and all. Sand we can just about handle a bubblegum colored lake from above contrasting with by blue Pacific lake healer. Its color is history, but the most commonly accepted lake's high salinity, right? You can say that due to salt in this lake, the scene of this color is beautiful. है ना? See over here the color of the Pacific Ocean. If you ever go to Australia, watch this lake. This is the place. What is this? This is called the Crooked Forest in Poland. Stephanos Brilliant Forest. Rizvi has 400 pine trees. The near identical bend. The base is trunk. ये समझ में नहीं आता कैसे ट्रंक में बेस क्यों है इसमें, है ना मिस्ट्री. Their wonky appearance has sparkled, including that a snowstorm or gravitational pull morphed their shape, suggests they deliberately shaped with tools have been proved which makes this tree all the more. Right? समझ में आ रहा है कि ऐसे कैसे कोई टूल्स यूज करके कर सकता है, पौधों को टूल्स यूज करके कर सकते हैं समथिंग लाइक. मे बी जैसे हम लोग बनाते बांध के रखते height of the tree does not, right, but it is क्या हुआ इधर दिखने फ्रूट्स का ये करने की तो ऐसे ऐसे आया होगा. How was it possible that it gets such a shape? Isn't it a mysterious thing? All 400 trees over here. See how many trees are having that shape. Wow. Ooh. Do you check it? Lake Abraham, Alberta, in Canada. Most of the year, reservoir in western Alberta. Rockies. ये सब चीजें है क्या exactly? What are these things which we are able to see? See what is that? Summer, wind, that what happens match bubbles or snow or fake. Truth is less impractical as a suspended white orbs are pockets bubbles which are formed and वो bubbles जो form होते हैं ना वो freeze हो जाते हैं जिसकी वजह से इतना beautifully दिख रहा है. Just imagine how it is, isn't it? Let's see the last mystery of the series. I'll be coming up with such exciting, right? Just see what is this. जैसे अगर something like pyramid we can small triangles or we can see with steps. क्या है? Teotihuacan in Mexico. Oh, side, come down, 8 square miles, lateral pilgrimage of Yothikyokan. The remnants, the apartment-like building, the remains of the apartment-like buildings suggest around the temple by the Lord image dead, right? This is the full places we have. How fascinating is there, which was. I hope you like this series coming up mysteries, right? In I'll come mysteries. Suppose what all I'll come up with. Patience, right? Before the small video on which episode was done yesterday. So, yesterday we have spoken about Bappa Rawal back to Iran. But there, I've even told the story behind the Rawalpindi in Pakistan. So, for the video, any questions, drop in. I was there in the live chat to talk with you, and I've tried to answer your questions. If you have any questions, you can get in touch with me. Yes, don't subscribe. Plus, subscription starts at 3,000 rupees for a month. 3,000 rupees per month. 6,000 6 months, 10,000. In 18,000 for 15. 20,000 for 18, right? And you'll be getting 10% discount. Like this 50,000 is for by my code, right? Use my code, get 10% discount. So don't code A and double O. Please use the same code and unlock the courses. Ah, an iconic subscription. It starts at 17,000 rupees for a month, for 6 months, right? 1,000 rupees for 15 months, 32,000 rupees. Months at 35,000 rupees. You can see you can get 10% discount by using this code, right? 24 months at 48,000 rupees. Get 10% discount. Code AN double O. Don't forget to use code AN double O. Right? Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you'll be getting the notification, right? And comment. And yes, you can also suggest which kind of series we can have, this kind of such short series, the way I had this of 2 episodes, right? Have some series wherein we can speak about such exciting, fascinating things, right? Forget to join the Telegram channel by using that link, right? So see you soon. I hope you are enjoying your Christmas, but please stay at home. Corona gaya nahi. Corona is there, right? So please stay safe and stay at home. Enjoy your Christmas vacation. Be coming soon tomorrow with next video. Ta-ta. Bye bye.